look outside. Awesome. Let me turn on my headlights. So these bulbs, they blink yellow, they run white. So it looks pretty cool. You can see them in there changing colors. These lenses are tinted. I saw I bought them off of eBay for like $100. Cool. Let me show you how it looks with the old flasher back on. 1 second. Well, I popped the original one back in, and it was doing that. Here's a dash. You can hear it popping like crazy. This little Novita electronic flasher saved it for me having to put load resistors and splicing my wires, finding the right wires. This little $10 flasher relay saved the day. Alright, any questions? Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. You want to follow my channel, and I post videos about my other cars. I have a Fox body